The Earl's locomotives were worked hard. The busy summer season had arrived and many people were coming to the line for its beaches. Sir Allegredy returned to passenger work, shuttling people from the mainland to the coast. He soon forgot all about his truck problems as he hurried along with his coaches. However, one evening, the Earl had assigned him to pull a special goods train. The trucks tormented him relentlessly, and as he pulled into the harbor, they gave an almighty jolt. Sir Allegredy slithered helplessly off the rails. Soon, Lily arrived with the breakdown train.
"Still can't handle them, I see,"
Lily said, glancing at the screaming trucks. "Oh, I guess not," Greedy sighed. "My only goods train, too." "It takes time," Lily soothed. "Then how did you do it?" Greedy implored. "Well, it took a little help," Lily admitted. "Please, you never did finish your story." "Oh, yes. All right, then." And Lily resumed her story. After her incident with the coal trucks, the Earl came by to visit her. "Lily, you tried your best and I applaud you. However, I think it's best if you started off with something small. Stafford has a light goods train at the harbor and I'd like you to take it with him." "But what about my passengers?" "Whiff will take them. I think this run is essential for you to learn how to handle trucks." "Yes, sir," Lily said sheepishly, and she set off to the harbor. When she arrived, Lily found Stafford with a meager-looking train, only 4 vans and a tanker. "These trucks are from the farms. The Fat Controller's engines bring it to the harbor." "I see." She glanced at the angry-looking trucks. One of them perked up. "Oh, it's clumsy red. We're gonna have some fun with this one." "Hey!" Lily started to retaliate, but Stafford cut in. "Just ignore them. Let's get a move on. We're late enough as it is." The train soon got underway. Stafford did most of the heavy lifting. Lily was worried about doing a bad job. "Loosen up! You're pulling produce, not a bomb," Stafford barked. "I'm sorry, it's just they can sense your hesitation. Just show you don't care." "How?" "Like this." Suddenly, Stafford slowed right down. "Must be a fault in my brakes." He smirked before speeding back up. The trucks cackled and swayed along too. Lily was astonished to see that they were settling down. Stafford may be small, but he certainly knew how to handle trucks. The train arrived at the junction where Winston was waiting. The trucks were chatting amiably behind Stafford. "That was amazing," Lily said. "What's next, the coal train?" "Whoa, ho," Stafford chuckled. "Don't get ahead of yourself. Our next train is those tankers and flatbeds." He indicated towards one of the sidings. "They should be a simple run. Tankers are usually pretty docile." "Good. I want as much experience as possible," Lily said. So she and Stafford went up and down the line all day, shuttling trucks wherever they were needed. Lily found with every run it got easier. As the sun set, there was only one train left. Stafford let Lily take it herself. The trucks started to laugh. "Oh, don't have the bus box to bail you out now, do ya?" Lily ignored them. They bumped behind her, but she just swayed with their emotions, just making sure they didn't get too rowdy. "Just like Stafford," she chuntered cheerfully. The trucks soon got bored and quieted down. Whiff and Stafford were waiting for her at the docks as she pulled in. "How did it go?" Stafford asked anxiously.
Excellent! They bumped around for a bit, but I kept my head and went with the rhythm.
See, Stafford, I told you she'd be just fine.
Yes, I am,
Lily said confidently. Over the next couple of days, the Earl kept Lily on goods work just until she was fully settled in. There were some bumps and bangs, but after a week or two, Lily had gotten the hang of it. A fortnight after her disastrous coal run, she was back at the mine. Welcome back. Will I need to save you again?
I think I can handle it today, thank you.
I see. Well, make sure you hollow when you bungle this up. Lily did handle this train easily.
And that's how I learned to handle trucks.
So just loosen up and go with the flow.
Yes, it just takes practice and patience.
I see. The workman had finished rerailing Greedy. Thank you, Lily. I'll try that next time. And with that, Greedy set back off for the sheds.